But without further ado, how much did I spend on the boat? Well, it was broken down into two categories. What were the big costs? Well, if we look at the trailer, there was a lot of big costs. First, we made a major order for all kinds of small parts for $199. Then we needed wheels, actual steel wheels. They were $119. Spare tire cover for $21. Spare tire holder for $48. Trailer tires were kind of expensive. We had to use car tires because we couldn't find trailer tires that would actually fit correctly for this very old trailer. They came in at $170. Then the hubs and bearings and seals were only $27, and then the bearings itself were $95. While the boat came in at just a tick over $1,000, the major expenses were really just all over the place. First, we needed a battery, which was $95. Battery hold down, $35. Copper lines for the choke, and the choke bending tool line was about $62. Fuel line, $21. Shifter cables that I got from a third-party company came in $115. And then a solenoid for the trim motor came in at $38. Fire extinguisher for safety items, $43. And then lots of small stuff here and there. Air duct, $38. And then the boat gas tank, which was the big one, at $177 from eBay. And then to round it out, just some smaller items. Spray foam for underneath the tank. Metal for the seats, $47. And then the actual wood for the jack stands to lift the boat off the trailer was kind of expensive because the cost of the wood at the time was expensive at $76. You know, that gives us a grand total of $1,695. Call it $1,700 for a running boat that was legal and puts out a good wake and has a good time that was left for junk. Super happy that I beat the budget of $2,000 in the end.